Section B. Question number 2 Part 1. Define the flame test. Briefly explain why alkali and alkaline earth metals produce colored flames in this test. State the flame colors for any two alkali metals. We can define flame test. Flame test is a qualitative test used to identify alkali and alkaline earth metals by the characteristic color they produce when heated in a flame. These metals produce colored flames because heating excites their outer shell electrons to higher energy levels. When the electrons return to their original energy levels, they emit energy in the form of visible light of specific wavelengths, giving characteristic colors. Flame colors of alkali metals: sodium, Na, golden yellow; potassium, K, lilac, violet. Option 2. Give reasons for any four of the following. 1. Boiling point of halogens increases down the group. As we go down the halogen group, molecular size and molecular mass increase. Van der Waals forces between molecules become stronger. Therefore, more energy is required to separate the molecules, causing an increase in boiling point. 2. Electronegativity decreases regularly from top to bottom in S-block elements. Down the group, atomic size increases. Shielding effect increases due to additional shells. This reduces the nucleus attraction for bonding electrons, so electronegativity decreases. 3. Alkali metals are good conductors of electricity. Alkali metals possess one loosely held valence electron. This electron moves freely through the metal lattice. Hence, alkali metals show high electrical conductivity. 4. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent because it has the highest electronegativity. Very small atomic size, strong tendency to gain electrons. Thus, it readily oxidizes other substances.